Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am finally working with a sequin wall. I've purchased this wall for myself to create more beautiful setups for you guys. These sequin walls in different colors were going around for quite a while. I've seen them with so many setups that I just couldn't hold myself, and I purchased one for myself. That wall, it's gorgeous. That sequin moves and gives you this beautiful movement, and the whole setup is just transforming to another level. I bought the sequin wall on Amazon, and that seller where I got this wall from has different colors of the wall: pink, black, silver, chameleon, gold, many varieties. I will link the link of this wall in the description under this video. Also, don't forget about my Amazon storefront where I link all of the products that I use for my videos. It's going to be a little bit easier for you to navigate through all of the stuff that I buy for all of my videos, and it's going to be easier for you to find what you're looking for. That link will be in the description under this video as well. All right, you guys, enough talking. Let's go, let's review, let's construct, let's create something beautiful. And before I'll start to inflate like usual, let's go over all of the balloons that I have here. So I decided to work with one color from Tuftex. This is evergreen in different sizes: 36, 5, 17, and 11. And I do have a whole bunch of gold orbs balloons in different sizes as well. I will link everything in the description under this video. And one more thing that I will be working with today, let me show you. Guys, I've been wanting to purchase a wall like this for quite a while. This came from Amazon. I will link it in the description under this video. This is the first box that I opened out of 4 boxes that I bought from that seller. And this is the first impression that I'm getting. It's very beautiful, but as you can see right here, one square is missing. I hope this square is somewhere over here. We'll see. Let's unpack a few and see how they will look combined together. To you really close to show you that there's a way that you need to attach these squares together. As you can see right now, the lines of those little nails are lining up. So these are 2 panels together, and you see that the nails are going straight through 2 panels. Now, it's very easy to kind of mess up. I already did. If you flip one of the panels, you can see that the nails are not lining up on the seams. So you need to kind of twist around your panels to find the correct way and correct lining of those nails. Now I am grabbing my small zip ties. I am fishing the zip ties with my nails, or you can grab tweezers or anything that you have on hand to help you out go through these holes. And I am simply zipping everything together. Don't zip tie it too tight because panels will overlap, and that's not a good thing. Grabbing one more zip tie and putting it all the way at the bottom. And when you flip your 2 panels, squares will find the correct way. They will fall, and you'll have one beautiful looking section of gold wall. Let's inflate our first pair of balloons, 17 and 11. Great. Now, if you like your balloons to be rounder than what you see now, then press your balloons against the floor to give your balloons a rounder shape. Tie balloons together into a pair. And here you have your first pair of balloons. I did tie my balloons as close as possible because I will on in construction of our balloon garland or balloon garlands. Let's inflate 3 more pairs of balloons using 11 and 17, and I will show you how to cluster them. Also, you guys, whenever I am using 11-inch balloons, I am inflating them almost 90% of the time into different sizes. This one's a little bit bigger, this one's a little bit smaller, just to give more variety of sizes of balloons. My 4 pairs inflated. Now grab your 2 pairs of balloons and start to intertwine them together nice and tight. Grab another pair, add into your balloons, nice and tight, intertwine everything together. And last one into the bunch. And here you have a beautiful looking cluster of balloons. Keep on inflating, keep on playing around with the sizes. I will also inflate some of the quads of balloons. Quads are 4 balloons together or 2 pairs of balloons combined together. And I will create smaller clusters of balloons. Smaller clusters of balloons are 3 pairs of balloons intertwined together. In this cluster, we have 4 pairs of balloons, and I call them bigger clusters.
Starting with sequin wall first, I attached first row of panels to the pole on the ground. It was a lot easier starting that way. Placed the pipe with gold panels on the stands and kept on attaching more panels with zip ties. Moved to a different spot because my stand would not stand, and it's not the last time I would change a spot for filming. Watch this. After 2 failed attempts, dry way it is, and I was really struggling to hang that horizontal pipe with sequin wall.
Guys, quickly want to show you how to replace a gold square if it kind of slipped out. I just replaced a few of them because while I was dragging the wall, some of them fell out. So as you can see, there's a hole and there's a nail over here. So you go sideways and you just clip on it, literally, like through the hole, and that's it. While I was dragging this wall, a lot of these squares bent, so be careful with this wall overall because it's very gentle. Let me finish this wall and I'll show you the final result. This is what I have so far. At the very bottom, I will finish that at the very last second, and I will fill the gaps with balloons. Now, every box has this little baggie over here with extra gold squares and nails, so that's good.
To construct my balloon garlands, I am using necks from the clusters of balloons. I am simply tying those necks together to create a base of my balloon garland, attaching them to my pipes with 260s or fishing line, adding more balloons to cover the pipes completely, and adding more clusters of balloons for more fullness.
It's such a great example for you to see. This is a typical organic balloon column. Here I added 3 clusters, 1, 2, 3 extra on top of my base, and look how much better it looks.
Matching second balloon garland to the first garland by attaching extra clusters of balloons and building the bottom with, again, extra clusters of balloons. Let's pause for a second. Look how pretty. Attaching 36-inch balloons with 260s to my garlands. Also didn't like how symmetrical everything looked, so I moved this one down. Here comes the orbs balloons, and I'm attaching them with 260s balloons as well.
Guys, don't leave your orbs balloons like this. Right now I used a foil inflator on my orbs balloons, and foil inflator does not work on orbs balloons. Foil inflator inflates
foiled balloons like letters, numbers, any other shaped foiled balloons, but not the orbs. Orbs balloons need more power in your inflator to stretch the orbs balloons to the proper size. This is not the proper size for orbs balloons. This is it. You don't want to have big seams or big wrinkles on your seams. I am grabbing a hand pump and finishing up stretching this balloon a little bit more until my seams will have tiny wrinkles on my seams. Tiny wrinkles are absolutely acceptable, and this is not acceptable. Just saying. Let's fix this with my hand pump.
Polishing my design by adding 5-inch balloons quads, I attached them with rubber bands. I attached the sign with fishing lines straight to those nails that are holding foil squares and simply leaning extra squares to the backdrop. Whatever I created wasn't enough for me, so I wanted to add some pampas grass to cover that pipe at the very top. I simply pushed my pampas grass into the sequin wall and held up very nicely, putting some finishing touches, and enjoy the final result.
Guys, this is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and inspiring. If it was, you guys, like usual, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because they always help more than you think. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. I will try my best to answer as many as I can and help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button down below for more videos, and I hope all of you will have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye!